Okay, a little update on the 68 Camaro project. I had to get some things together. I was frantically looking for a red oxide primer in epoxy. Due to the fact I'm trying to make this car as close to original as possible. So, couldn't find it anywhere. PPG doesn't make it anymore. I'm a big fan of their DP90, but it really only comes in black and gray. If you're lucky to still find it somewhere in a red oxide primer, I think it's a DL74, but they didn't have it. So reached out to SPI in Georgia, and they were more than happy to send me the red oxide primer. And I can't wait to get with it. So I have the activator. And I ordered a medium reducer. A couple other things I'm using on this project in the pre-early stages. Some copper weld that goes in between all the gaps, any pinch welds, anything like that. 3M adhesive remover, because you know these parts come with sticky tape all over them with the bubble wrap, so that gets cleaned off. Another thing to bring to light is this panel, which is not the AMD one, which I ordered but I did not get from Real Deal Steel. It has this fake GM sticker on it, so it's probably a Golden Star. They didn't come with these. See, I got that well-done primer there. This will be getting welded to that. This is the top pump brackets. It didn't come with those. I had to take the old ones off, clean them up. These will be going here. I measured everything before I took them out. That's why you save old parts. I mean, the big ugly thing sitting in the scrap pile needs to go in a garbage so it don't look shitty. But I save these parts in case I need something off of them. And in this case, I did. So that's a good tech tip. It's an easy tech tip. Save the old parts in case you need stuff off of them. Now we still have to prep this, drill the holes, and all that fun stuff. I have an old pump here. We're gonna find some new grommets. Make sure the spacing is right. Here's the other. This is a shock mount. The aftermarket panel does not come with this mount. There's another part that goes underneath and it bolts through. And that pretty much holds the bushing and the shock in place. So there these are again. I mean, nothing too exciting, but this is all the dumb shit that has to be done, especially on a convertible when you're working on it. And I really, really want to thank SPI for giving me a hand. They gave me really good pricing. The shipping was amazing. It was packed very well. And until next time, this is the only update I have for now. Still prepping things here and getting ready to go. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.